Hello my lucky charms, welcome back to my channel, where art and craft pave the way for luck, peace and positivity. Even though by the time I uploaded this, it's already past, I still want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving everybody. Did you eat turkey? Anyway, this is part 2 of my emotions project. Be sure to check out part 1 if you haven't. In this part, I'm creating backgrounds for the characters. I initially wanted to do like a cabin in the wood setting where I wanted to make a little house and trees for all the emotions to live together, and maybe some cute animals too. Kind of like the Seven Dwarf place in Disney's Snow White, but since it was Thanksgiving and I had so much going on, I didn't have enough time to make what I had in mind, so I went for something simpler. Oh, also, I'm thinking I need to plan my videos better because I do want to make more challenging and complex crafts, but since I don't want to mess up my algorithm, I need to upload a video every week, so I'm a bit short on time to plan, shoot, and edit. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Okay, let's go back to the video. It's all done! I'm loving it! Even though it's not exactly what I had planned, but I think it turned out great! And my daughter loves it too. After I introduced all the emotions, she started role-playing. I was thinking of gluing everything in place to keep it secure, but she wants to shuffle things around. Well, it is her toy, so I guess she can have it her way. And it's so cute that her favorite emotion is happy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye!